welcome back to my channel Shopaholic on Budget, and today I'm going to share with you a Ajio haul. So I decided to shop from Ajio for some ethnic wear, and yeah, I have never shared a full-fledged Ajio haul. So let's start with the haul now. So the first kurta set is this coral color kurta set, and this is the real color, and in app I thought it is pink in color, but it is coral, and this is from the brand called Avasa, and Avasa is only available on Ajio app and Reliance store. The tag says it retails for 2599, but I got a nice discount on this. And this is a photo. This is how it looks. It is a set of kurta and bottom pants. And these are the bottom pants which came with the set. It is white in color and it has a print, foil print on it. And the material of the pants are really very decent kind of material. It has a pattern on at the bottom with buttons and has elastic. And this is the kurta. I really like the coral color, and you get 3/4 sleeves in this. It is a folded sleeves with button pattern on it, and the embroidery on it is really very attractive, and the finishing of the embroidery is also good, and the bottom cut, this looks really very rich and classy. There is this hem stitching in between the middle of the kurta with buttons. It has a round neck and hook on the neck. The cut at the bottom of the kurta is really looking attractive. I really like the kurta set, but the material of the kurta set is not really good. It's itching, and if your skin is sensitive, then it is not at all good for your skin. Next is this lemon yellow color kurta set. This is also the same embroidered kurta, and from the same brand Avasa. The color of the kurta is really nice. These are the pants. It is in golden, beige and golden color, but the design is not looking very good on that beige color. The color is really very overpowering the print, and the kurta's color is really good. I really like this, and it has a round neck and buttons on it and embroidery on all over the kurta. I don't know what's wrong with the Avasa brand, but the material is not really very good. If you have sensitive skin, then it might be a problem, because you can't wear uncomfortable clothes. It itches around your arm area. It has lining under it, but I don't know what's the problem. It's really very itching material. The material is not at all good. I have seen reviews on this kurta sets, and they were telling that the material is good and breathable, but I don't find it breathable. And this kurta, I got a defective piece. It was torn. There was a cut on the kurta. I don't know what's wrong with the Ajio's quality check, but you need to fix it, Ajio, because last time also I ordered a t-shirt and there was a hole in that t-shirt. So next is this suit from the same brand Avasa, and this is the color. It's a light green color. It's from the same brand Avasa. This is how it looks. It is a set of anarkali kurta and pajama and dupatta. It's a 3-piece suit, and this is the pajama. It's a beige goldenish color, and it has a drawstring. It is not elasticated. The material of the pajama is decent, not that good, not that bad. And this is the dupatta length is also good enough, and a pretty nice dupatta. So this is the kurta. It's a nice anarkali, and the flare of the anarkali is also good, and you get the embroidery on the neck area, and 3/4 sleeves with folded pattern and then round neck, and you get the backside plain. I really like the flare of this anarkali. I think the problem with Avasa set is that the material they use for that kurta is really poor and pathetic. because it's really itching and no one can wear uncomfortable clothes for really long time. And we all like to shop for sales and discount prices, but we don't want to wear uncomfortable clothes and pathetic poor quality clothes. There are so many brands out there which are providing nice quality clothes with a decent price tags. Before buying, I have seen so many videos on this kurta set and their reviews were so good. I think they were paid reviews, or I don't know what's the problem. So next is this kurta from the brand called Enchanted Drapes, and this is I have bought this for my mom for everyday use. And this is a simple kurta with a tie-dye print in orange color, and it has a collar, neck and 3/4 sleeves. This is a pretty decent material, but it came with no tag or label on it. And because usually when we get clothes online there is a tag or label of the brand, but in this kurta there was nothing. But overall I really like this kurta. The finishing and the material is good compared to what other kurta sets I bought from Ajio. Next is this another kurta from the brand called Arshia or something, and this is also a simple angarakha kurta in green, light green color, and the material is good and nice, comfortable. We can use it for every day. I'm quite happy with the material and quality of the kurtas, but disappointed with the kurta set, so I'm going to return all the 3 kurta sets from Avaasa and going to keep the 2 kurtas only. So yeah, that's all I bought from Ajio, and the reviews I gave are all my personal and what I felt about it. And if you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.